Before G.I. Joe, He-Man, Thundercats, and Transformers came on local UHF stations, we were treated with a variety of programs, some dating back to the 1930s like Popeye, Bugs Bunny, Tom and Jerry, and many more. My favorites included Star Blazers, Speed Racer, Marvel Superheroes, Underdog, Bullwinkle, Tennessee Tuxedo, and the 1960s Spider-Man cartoon. And, around this same time, the network still had Saturday morning cartoons. Cartoons in the early morning and afternoons could also be seen on local TV. The other night I had this idea of mixing Captain Marvel, Shazam, with Underdog, and Thunderdog was born. I liked doing this. It made me laugh, and I had a lot of fun doing it, so I decided to do another one. And if you're following me on Instagram, which I hope you are, Vance Capley Art on Instagram, I did one of Scooby-Doo mixed with Batman and Robin. I decided this time I wanted to do another one with Thor, the mighty Thor, mixed with Bullwinkle the Moose. And I called it Thorwinkle. And I'm going to show you how I did that today on Draw TV. Thank you so much for watching today's Draw TV. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and go visit VanceCapleyArt.com. I've got shirts, books, all kinds of stuff there, and I'm also available for projects. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week on Draw TV.